or Chandrayaan-5, is lifting off, a massive joint mission to the Moon's south pole. This rover will drill deep into the dark craters, unlocking the secrets of lunar water. First, the intake stroke draws in fuel and air. Next, the piston presses the mixture tightly. A spark ignites it. This cycle repeats thousands of times a minute.
आधुनिकतेची आणि दुग्ध व्यवसायाची ही आहे सुंदर सांगड.
Let's make a cute mini umbrella at home. First, fold your paper circle into pleats. Next, glue a wooden skewer to the center. Now open it up and add a top cone. And you're done! Perfect for a rainy day.
Seismometers measure earthquakes using inertia. When the Earth shakes, the heavy mass stays still, recording the motion relative to it. Modern systems record this digitally.
चंद्रयान 2च्या ऑर्बिटरने हे दृश्य टिपले आहे. एक मोठा उल्कापिंड चंद्रावर पडत आहे. आणि पहा, त्या खड्ड्यात पाणी दिसत आहे. शेवटी आपण चंद्रावरती पोचलोच. आता इथंही कष्टाचं सोनं करू.
Building my own RX-100 from scratch. This two-stroke engine is pure magic. Time to hear that classic sound.
Artemis 3 is go for launch. We are returning to the moon. Next stop, the lunar South Pole.
Let's build a solar sprayer. First, mount the pump to the tank base. Connect the battery and charge controller. Secure the solar panel on top. Now you have efficient, free spraying. A new era of global connectivity begins. Thousands of satellites weaving a web in low Earth orbit, linked by lasers, delivering high-speed connecting the most remote corners of the world. भारत का गगनयान मिशन 2026 में उड़ान भरेगा. ये पहली मानरहित उड़ान होगी जिसमें व्योममित्रा जाएगी. इससे भारतीय वापसी का परिंतरिक यात्रियों का रास्ता खुलेगा. Today, we are building a DIY FM radio receiver from scratch. We will use an Arduino Nano to control the receiver module. First, measure out exactly 75 centimeters. This will be the perfect length for our antenna. Use your wire strippers to make a clean cut. Now, place it neatly right beside the FM receiver. Strip the end to expose the copper. First, we connect the SDA and SCL pins. Now we provide power and ground from the Arduino. Connect the speaker wires to the amplifier. And that completes our FM radio circuit. Chandrayaan 2 aimed for a historic lunar landing, but during descent, a technical glitch caused the lander to tilt. Communication was lost, ending in a hard crash. Yet, its lessons paved the way for Chandrayaan 3. The Falcon 9 stands at 70 meters tall. Its reusable first stage features a carbon fiber hull at the base. Grid fins and landing legs allow for recovery. This is SpaceX's workhorse for orbit. Aditya L1 is India's first dedicated space-based observatory mission to study the Sun, launched by the Indian Space Research Organization. Orbit insertion complete at Lagrange point 1. Station keeping active 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. Aditya L1's strategic position enables continuous, uninterrupted observation of the Sun without any interference from eclipses or planetary occultations. Equipped with 7 advanced scientific payloads, Aditya L1 studies solar flares, and space weather dynamics.
Let's make a beautiful homemade Rakhi. Stick a mirror and glue pearls all around it. Add golden beads for that festive look. Now secure it to a colorful silk thread. Add some beads to the ends and it's done. Happy Raksha Bandhan!
Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis. But it takes only 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun.
Voyager 1 will cross the one light day threshold. This occurs on November 18, 2026. That's almost 16 billion miles away.
NASA has officially touched the Sun. It flew into the million-degree corona, moving at 430,000 miles per hour. Revolutionary carbon armor kept it from melting.
Today we're building a DIY voltmeter. All you need is a resistor and this digital display. Let's test it on this battery. From lawnmowers to the red planet. Watch how we use basic DIY. What should we build next? Great clacks.
I'm building my very own Mars rover. Let's see how it handles this terrain.
Friendship 7, you are go for orbit. Roger, Cape. The view is magnificent.
Odyssey, adjust orbit to focus on Sector 4.
Hold on, we have a visual anomaly on the crater floor.
Why do planes vanish in the Bermuda Triangle? The truth isn't supernatural. It's a mix of heavy traffic and unpredictable weather. Statistically, it's as safe as anywhere else. For 20 years, explored Saturn. It found active icy geysers on the moon Enceladus, and it landed a probe on alien Titan. It ended with a final, dramatic plunge. Have you ever wondered why Mars is called the Red Planet? Its surface is covered in iron oxide. That's right, plain old rust. Dust storms spread it everywhere, coloring the entire world.
Beneath our feet, Earth's giant tectonic plates are always moving. When they collide, the ground buckles and folds, pushing skyward. This is how massive ranges like the Himalayas are born.
NASA's DART mission made history. It crashed directly into a target asteroid. Impact! Moving it by millions of miles. A huge success for planetary defense.
Scanning Lunar Sector 4. Anomaly detected. Life form confirmed.
On deep space missions, the Falcon 9's upper stage is left without enough fuel to return to Earth. Over time, chaotic gravitational pulls from the Earth and Moon set it on a collision course. A massive SpaceX spacecraft goes off course. It hurtles directly towards the lunar surface, triggering a cataclysmic explosion on the moon. Operating since 1977, Voyager 1 is the first human-made object traversing interstellar space. The James Webb Space Telescope explores every phase of cosmic history, capturing the universe's first light.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम पानी से बिजली बनाएंगे। देखिए कैसे ये टरबाइन घूम रहा है और यहाँ हमारी एलईडी जल गई। वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम बनाएंगे एक घास काटने वाली मशीन। देखिए ये कितने अच्छे से काम कर रही है। चेक आउट माई DIY homemade solar rechargeable car. This small panel absorbs sunlight to power up the motor. It is fully functional and completely eco-friendly. We can build a greener future. Today we make a DIY emergency lamp. Connect the battery like this and it is ready for use.
Check out my DIY mini mixer. I used a simple DC motor for this. Let's throw in some coffee beans. Wow, look at that power go. Perfectly ground in just seconds.
गणपतीसाठी हायड्रोपोनिक गवत उगवूया. मोड आलेल्या बिया ट्रेमध्ये पसरा. 10 दिवसांत छान गवत तयार होईल.
Mobile jammers work by broadcasting on the exact same radio frequencies as your phone. They overpower the cell tower's signal, leaving you with no service.
NASA's next flagship mission, the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, is set to launch in 2026 to unravel the mysteries of dark energy and discover thousands of new worlds.
हायड्रोपोनिक्स वापरून काँग्रेस गवत कसं वाढवायचं ते पहा. येथे आम्ही त्यांना मातीशिवाय फक्त पोषक पाण्यात वाढवत आहोत. या पद्धतीमुळे वनस्पतींची वाढ वेगाने होते